Oh my, we got something special going on today, everybody. I'm heading to beat Boots and Jeans Riders. All right, I'm up here in their neck of the woods, up here in Northern California, and we're gonna meet over here at a breakfast place, and we're gonna get out and we're gonna do some riding today. So pretty exciting. Last time I saw Boots and Jeans Riders, they were in my neck of the woods. They were coming through Elko. We all went out to breakfast and went out for a nice ride. All right, let's see, I got it all plugged into my coordinates. And yeah, so what's kind of interesting about these two is because of them, I bought a Goldwing. And I still have that Goldwing. That's my 2018 non-tour 6-speed Goldwing. But I didn't bring it. I brought this bike. I just bought this a month ago. This is my my companion bike to the Goldwing. Should be right over there, right next to a gas station. How perfect. Because the Ducati needs fuel. Alright, let's see. Okay, so here we are. We got Cake back there, and we got Rich up front, and we are heading out into Northern California hills, as best I can say. I'm not sure exactly what road this is, but I trust that Rich knows where he's going, and so I'll just follow him. There she goes. Alright, so continuing our ride, my ride with Boots and Jeans, my ride with Rich from Boots and Jeans Riders. We are out here in the winery somewhere. I believe this is Livermore, California, and it looks like wine is what they do here. I mean, I'm sure they do other things, but they certainly have some wine, some wineries. So profitable, people are doing it in their own yard. Little wine tasting area up here. Well, you gotta love California. A little bit of everything. I'm in hot pursuit here, trying to keep up with Rich on his Goldwing. So we are cruising through these dry California hills. You know, everybody talks about these California wildfires and what a problem it is. Well, look how dry it is. Super dry. Here we are in July. So, oh, this is a nice little run through here. Look at this. Some twisties coming up. Yeah.
I thought a video like how he had a camera running.
All right, and off we go. Spending the day with Rich, Boots and Jeans Riders. Been out. We just had lunch over here at Carl's Jr. Started out the day having breakfast with cake, and then she had to separate and go take care of some kids, some grandkids, I think. And so I got Rich all to myself today, and we've just been having a great day talking riding strategy, talking riding philosophy, talking YouTube stuff, video ideas stuff, and how we like doing things and what kind of videos we like to watch, and just having a good time. Nice. So we are gonna hop on the freeway now, and we're gonna head back to where we started. And yeah, it would have been really cool if I had my Goldwing, but that's all right. It's still really cool. I got my Ducati. So, and what I'm figuring out, folks, from this ride is that I need to get what I'm figuring out is I need to get a Corbin seat. That's what I need to do, because okay, I got my cruise control. I'm going to engage. Oh, heck yeah. There we go. Rocking the cruise on the 2022 Ducati.